SAP Press's goal is to create the resources that help accelerate your SAP journey. Learn how to use SAP Analytics Cloud with this learning journey. Become familiar with SAP Analytics Cloud with our all-in-one guide. See how to connect to data sources, create stories, and more. Then dive into predictive analytics with instructions for building, analyzing, and applying predictive models. Want to make SAP Analytics Cloud run efficiently? We have a performance optimization guide that teaches you just that. Next, find out how to perform FP&A in the cloud with our comprehensive finance guide for using SAP Analytics Cloud. Once you've gotten your data modeled, you should put it into dashboards. Use our Designing Dashboards book to learn this. Lastly, implement strong security protocols with the help of our eByte. We have many other books on SAP Analytics Cloud. See all our titles at sappress.com and make sure to subscribe to us to stay up to date on all things analytics.